So this is a loaded question. What do you think is the value of women in the Word?
I could talk for the longest time about
Good,
this.
yeah.
I love Women in the Word so much. This ministry is unique. It is empowering for women. I think we all have a little bit of discomfort when we come to this conference, and I think that's good for us. It gets us out of our comfort zone. It makes us labor, and it shows us that we can do what we didn't think we could do. That's always how we grow. We get a little outside our comfort zone, and then we go, oh, look at me, I just did that thing. And so I hope all of you are feeling uplifted and encouraged that you can properly handle the Word of God for yourselves, that you can teach women and learn for yourself. And I agree with what Rosemary said. There's something different about real Bible study that makes it personal, and it makes it, that discovery process for you is so precious. So, yes.
Well said. We'll put that on the internet. Let me pray for you.